in this video, I'm going to teach you how to match the strokes in Figma. Well, guys, when we accumulate different icons from different websites in order to create a great UI design, there's a high chances that whatever the icons we have accumulated in the Figma have a different stroke size or like a different stroke pattern, right? Now, if you want to match that stroke in like throughout your complete UI design so that it can look professional and obviously it can give you a final finish, you need to learn how to match those strokes in each and every icons in Figma, right? So let's directly jump into Figma and learn about this. So guys, as you can see here, I'm in Figma right now, and if I zoom in here a little bit, here you can see I do have three different kind of icons over here, right? First one is this rocket, which is very thin, which has very thin strokes. Then this globe, which has a regular stroke, and then this envelope, which has a very like bold strokes. Now, what I need to do here, or what I have to do here, I have to make it like similar, or I have to match the strokes of all these three icons so that it can look more soothing and it can look more professional, right? Because in a single design, in a single UI design, your strokes shouldn't be different. Otherwise, it will look more unprofessional and more unfinished, right? So in order to do that, what you need to do first, you need to select the icon, whatever you wanna like increase or decrease the stroke of that particular icon, and make sure these icons are SVG, right? This is not possible on the PNG icons. First, let's say I am selecting this one, and when you select this, obviously this will come up in a frame, and here is the frame you can see here, rocket launch. So you need to expand this, and here is the vector icon which you need to select. You can't increase or decrease the stroke by selecting the frame. You need to select the vector icon. When you select the vector icon, the strokes option will come up here. Now, in the stroke option, what you need to do first, you need to make it inside a center, whatever you think is good, and now slightly increase the strokes from here, right? As you can see here, in order to match the stroke, you can do that. In the same way, you can do with other icons as well. If you want to decrease the stroke, you can do that. First, you need to select the particular icon, and obviously it will take you to the frame in the left hand side menu, and then open it up, select the vector, go to your strokes, make it center, and now you can increase or decrease it, right? So I would prefer you to go with the very thin one, because if you are taking the thin icons, it will provide you a good threshold to increase the width of the icons, right? So because let's say if you go with this envelope, right, obviously you need to expand this, and here in the strokes in the center, this is on 1, right? If you make it 0, still it doesn't work. But if you make it 2, from like increase it, it increases but doesn't decreases, right? That's the thing. Now, I hope you understood how you can like manage or how you can match the strokes in all of the icons in your Figma designs or UI designs. This is pretty normal but very useful, because if you are not able to match the strokes, definitely you are not creating a professional design, right?